Rahim. Now I will be doing page number 232. This is basically primary math second edition. So question number 1 part A says what are the missing fractions? It is written that 2 over 3 and dash make one whole. One whole mean one complete pizza. So it is, see, it has three parts, 1 2 3. These are 2 over 3. Okay, what we add to make it the complete, only this part is missing. So this part in terms of fractions or in terms of the whole, it will be 1 over 3. Total parts are 3, 1 over 3. So this part is 1 over 3. So if we join this part with this, so it will become one whole pizza. So we'll say 2 over 3 and 1 over 3 make a whole. Then the second, we will go to the second part. The second part says, which is B part, here we have it is like this. This one is separate part. 1 over 4 and dash make one whole. If it is 1 over 4, this is 1 over 4. This is one part and total are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 total parts and this is 1. 1 over 4 in terms of fraction, 1 over 4. So if you eat only 1 over 4, how many more do you eat so that you supposed to eat the whole pizza? You will be eating this 1 over 4, another 1 over 4 and another 1 over 4. So 1 over 4, 1 over 4, 1 over 4, it becomes 3 over 4. So if you eat 3 over 4, 3 more parts out of 4 parts, that means you have made 1. 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4 is 1 whole. So this is 3 over 4 is the answer. Now we'll be moving to the C part, which says that there is 1 it's like this, 3 or 5 and dash make one whole. This was the complete figure. What they have done is 3 or 5. This is 1, 2, 3. These are separate. 3. Total 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total are 5. So this portion is 3 over 5. So how many parts to join so that it becomes the whole figure? We know that this is missing. This is one part. In fraction it will be 1 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 total parts. This is 1 over 5. This is one part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 parts. This is also 1 over 5. So 1 over 5 and 1 over 5. It means 2 over 5 are required to make it whole. 2 over 5. We say 3 over 5 and 2 over 5 make one whole. So the answer to the part C is 2 over 5. Now it is written match the fractions to make one whole. There are certain diagrams given. Here it has like this. This is shaded, and then seven parts. Out of this, two are shaded, and then eight parts. Out of this, 1, 2, 3 are shaded, and then again nine parts. Out of this, 5 are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have a figure which has 7 parts. So it has 5 are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then eight parts. Out of this, again 5 are shaded. And then like this, 2 are shaded. The last one, nine parts. And 4 are shaded. So it says match the fractions to make one whole. Match the fractions to make one whole. So we need to see that you need to eat one whole. If you are eating one part here, these are 3 total parts, and you are eating one part. So you need to find out the figure which has 3 parts and 2 more parts you can eat, which are one, this is shaded part or eaten part. So you need to find out a figure here which has 3 parts where 2 more parts are shaded, then it will be completed. Here it is a figure with 3 parts out of which one is shaded. You need another to find out another circle shape which with 3 parts where 2 parts are shaded. So this is 3 parts, 2 parts are shaded. So this is number 1, this is number 1. So this is 1 part is shaded, here 2 parts are shaded, so 3 parts are shaded. It is complete. Then we go to this one. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 parts. Out of 7 parts, 2 are shaded. You need to find out another figure with the 7 parts where 5 parts are shaded. Then it all will be shaded. Here 2 parts are shaded out of 7. We need to find out another figure with the 7 parts where 5 parts are shaded. We'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. Then we will see this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. We'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 total 7 parts. How many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 2. In this figure, out of 7 parts, 2 parts are shaded. And here also, out of 7 parts, 5 parts are shaded. So it means 5 parts from here, 2 parts from here, to 7 parts are shaded. So complete. Number 2. Number 2. Then we'll go to this one. Here total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. Out of 8 parts, 3 parts are shaded. Out of 8 parts, 3 parts are shaded. So we need to find out another figure with the 8 parts where 5 parts are shaded. We will see that 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 part figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are shaded. Here 3 are shaded. So this is 3, this is 3. 3 parts out of 5 parts are shaded here, and 5 parts out of 8 parts are shaded here. So number of parts are same, 8 and 8. Here it was 3 shaded, here there were 5 shaded. So 3 plus 5, 8 shaded. So it is complete. Now we'll move to this side. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parts. Total 9 parts. Out of 9 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are shaded. 5 parts are shaded. So we need another figure with 9 parts where 4 parts should be shaded. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is also 9 parts. This is also 9 parts. Here 5 parts are shaded. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are shaded. So this is equal to this. It means from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts are shaded. From here 4 parts are shaded, and number of parts are same in both the figures. So here this is the way to solve this question, which is on to page number 232.